Welcome to Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, a premier institution spread over 40 acres of serene green campus in the heart of Haldia. With state-of-the-art infrastructure, HIDSAR offers a world-class environment for aspiring dental professionals. Our doors are open to the future leaders in dental healthcare. Every day, students from diverse backgrounds step into a place where learning meets innovation and tradition. HIDSAR offers a comprehensive academic experience with specialized departments that cover every aspect of dental education, from oral surgery to orthodontics. Our faculty consists of highly qualified professionals dedicated to shaping the next generation of dental experts. At HIDSAR, learning extends beyond the classroom. Our students gain hands-on experience by providing clinical treatments to patients, ensuring they are well prepared for real-world challenges. Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research shares its vast 40-acre campus with ICare Medical College and Dr. B.C. Roy Hospital. This collaboration enables students to hone their skills in a real hospital environment, providing advanced treatments and care to patients. Our lecture rooms are equipped with the latest technology to enhance the learning experience. From multimedia presentations to interactive discussions, every class is designed to engage and inspire. At HIDSAR, we believe in a balanced student life. Our canteen offers a wide range of nutritious meals, providing a perfect space for students to recharge and socialize between their studies. Our hostel facilities provide a home away from home for students, with comfortable living spaces, 24/7 security, and amenities that ensure a safe and supportive environment for personal and academic growth. HIDSAR's library is a knowledge hub, offering a vast collection of books, journals, and digital resources. It provides a quiet and focused environment for students to deepen their understanding and research. HIDSAR is proud to be affiliated with some of the most prestigious bodies in the country, including the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, the Dental Council of India, and the West Bengal University of Health Sciences. We are also recognized by the National Institutional Ranking Framework, NIRF, for our commitment to excellence in education. At Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, we are committed to fostering excellence in dental education and healthcare. Join us in shaping the future of dentistry. Haldia Institute of Dental Sciences and Research, empowering tomorrow's dental leaders.